Good morning, team. Welcome to this training on Azure. There will be 18 sessions. Session 1 is about Terraform installation. Installation whether you are using MacBook or Windows or Linux. What we need to do is we need to install Terraform CLI, Azure CLI, Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it already, we already have it. Git and Terraform plugin for Visual Studio Code. So Terraform CLI, if you are using MacBook, the command is quite simple, that you download Terraform for Mac from this website and install it. If you are using, once you download it, you can make a directory wherever you want to install and unzip this file and run the installer. It's a simple single binary file which you can move to your user local bin directory and it will show you the version. So in my case, if I open the terminal here, version. So this is my installed Terraform 1.557 on this machine. And to uninstall, you simply remove this binary file. Quite straightforward. Visual Studio Code we have already done. Azure CLI, you can go to this page, download it, like it is for available for using Windows, Winget or installer, or different type of installation options are there. And when you are installing it on MacBook, I use this command. In fact, I have used the same command, brew install Azure CLI. So this is the quite simple command, and this is the command to install Azure CLI on MacBook. And to verify that, --version. That will give me which version I have. I have 2.71. So Azure CLI also installed. If you want to upgrade, you can use brew upgrade CLI. Once you have this Azure CLI installed, you need to log in to Azure Cloud to authenticate your session. Alternatively, you can go to cloud. You can even, in fact, you try Azure login, AZ login from the command line. It will take you to Azure Cloud. AZ login. The current session will be activated. You are redirected. You can close the window and you are logged in into the current session. It says no subscription found, but we have subscription account list. You can see I have already configured, and you see the account list, Azure Cloud ID, the details of the cloud. I have also done a very interesting thing which I will be using throughout. You can configure these details in a .env file with a specific variable name starting with df_var in uppercase, followed by underscore, followed by name of the variable. And then you can use that variable in your Terraform file. So for that, I have configured that file in this directory env_var. This file have my environment variable export tf_var_. This part, Terraform identify any environment variable starting with uppercase tf_var_ as Terraform variable. I will be using this variable name inside my Terraform files, subscription ID. So this file I should source env-vars. Once I source it, this environment variable is configured. Git we already have, we need to install. These are the steps for Windows. Install Git Client, Azure CLI, these are for Windows. And Linux, we download, install and run the installer. This is part 1 complete.